Hi everybody, I'm going to show you how to open up Google Chrome by default in incognito mode. Right now, as you see, if you click on it, it opens up regularly. Well, a lot of people want to know how. So it's a two-step process for some. If you didn't create a super user password, you must do so now. I created this image for you to follow. You type in sudo password root. PASSWD, not the word password, but sudo password PASSWD root, and then it's going to say sudo password for recovery. You enter it once. You can make it whatever you want. You can make it the same as your other one. It's up to you. You hit enter. It's going to ask you to retype it. You enter it again, and then it's going to say password updated successfully. That's it. Now you have your super user password. Okay, this works for both Linuxmint and Ubuntu. Basically, any Debian-based system. So now we're going to open up the folder, and the first thing you're going to want to do is right-click on it and say Open as root. Now it's going to ask for that root password you just created. So you enter it. You get a red bar up here. You get it both in Linux and Ubuntu. Now you got to go to your main drive. Here in Linuxmint, you just click up here. In Ubuntu, it says other areas or something like that, and you click on that, and you go to your hard drive, your root. On the hard drive that you installed Ubuntu, of course, or Linuxmint. So now you're going to go to the search bar. You're going to type in Google Chrome. Now you're going to come up with this icon because this is the application. See how it's under User Shared Applications? Right click on it and you can use any default editor. I'll use Sublime Text, but any of these defaults will also work. Okay, it's going to be on 3 lines. 108, what we're going to have to do is type in, put the mouse up here and hit Control F. And you're going to type in capital EXEC equals. See how it went to line 108? This is the only thing you have to change. See how it says stable and then you have that U letters? Just put it right here and paste it in, or type in. Make sure there's a space between both. -- incognito. Before I save this, I'm going to show you how when I open it, see how it opens up regularly? I know you have a little, you can just right click on it and hit new incognito window here, but some people don't want to do it. They just want to click on it and go. So now I put in the incognito on line 108 between the %U and after the word stable. Make sure there's one space between both. Now I'm going to hit save. Okay, I saved the file. Now look what happens when I open it. See it open in incognito mode? Now I'm going to close it, and you can still see here, you can just hit new window and it opens up regularly. So nothing's really changed except now when you click on it, goes into incognito mode. Alright, this is John Cardell. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.